Class 8 Geography. Chapter number 6, Major Crops and Agricultural Development. Hello everyone and welcome back to your social science class. This video is the continuation of chapter number 6, Major Crops and Agricultural Development. So let's start.
Next crop is millet. Some of the coarse grains like jowar, bajra, ragi and sorghum, they all are together called millet. These grains have low nutritional values as compared to the other cereals. These crops are grown in the areas where there is high temperature, low rainfall and less fertile and sandy soil. The semi-arid parts of tropical and subtropical regions are best suited for the cultivation of millet. Now, some of the important countries where millet is produced are India, China, USA, Brazil, Nigeria, Niger, and Egypt. It is also used as a fodder crop for domestic animals in USA. Next crop is sugarcane. Sugarcane is primarily cultivated for its juice, from which sugar is processed. It is a kind of a grass with thick stem. It grows to a height of about 3 meters or more. Sugar is stored in the stem of the sugarcane. The new sugarcane plant grows from the stem cutting of the old plant. The plant is also grown for biofuel production, especially in Brazil, as the canes can be used directly to produce ethyl alcohol. The byproducts from the cane sugar processing, namely straw and bagasse, they can be used to produce cellulosic ethanol, the second generation biofuel. It is said that this crop originated in Eastern Asia and it was taken to the Middle East and Southern Europe by the Arab traders. This crop requires hot and humid climate. It requires level land and well-drained fertile soil. There is no need for accumulation of water in the field. Now, some of the important countries which produce sugarcane are Brazil, Cuba in West Indies, India, Mexico, Pakistan, Australia, Indonesia, Philippines, Hawaii Island, Fiji, South Africa, and southern USA. Nowadays, sugarcane is grown almost everywhere in the tropics and subtropics. However, there is hardly any sugarcane production in the temperate lands. The reason is as it requires hot and humid climate, and that is the reason it cannot be grown in the temperate land. Next crop is cotton. Cotton is a soft, fluffy, staple fiber that grows in a ball or a protective case around the seeds of the cotton plant in the mallow family Malvaceae. The fiber is almost pure cellulose. This crop originated in India and it was cultivated during the period of Indus Valley civilization. It is the important raw material for the cotton textile industry. It is also the most important used fiber to make clothes. The quality of the raw cotton depends on some factors And those factors are: first, length of the fiber; second, its fineness; third, its luster, which means shine; next is softness; next, strength, color, and clearness. It is usually grown as an annual crop. This crop requires long frost-free period, plenty of sunshine, and a moderate rainfall. It requires the high temperature of about 27 degrees Celsius during the growing period. Cotton crop requires moderate rainfall, usually from 60 to 120 centimeter. It requires fertile, well-drained soil which can retain moisture. Example: the soil which is found in the Deccan Plateau of India. The black soil is the most suited soil for the growth of cotton. At the time of ripening of the cotton balls, this crop requires dry, clear, and sunny weather conditions. The countries where cotton is produced are USA, China, India, Pakistan, Brazil, Egypt, Sudan, Mexico, and Uzbekistan. Next crop is jute. Jute is said to be the second most important vegetable fiber after cotton. It is long, soft, shiny, bast fiber that can be spun into coarse, strong threads. It is produced from flowering plants. It is also known as golden fiber. Jute is also called the brown paper of the wholesale trade. The reason is that it is mostly used as a packing material. It is the cheapest fiber which can be dyed, but it cannot be bleached easily. This crop requires warm and wet climate, and it requires alluvial soil which is rich in salts. This crop is usually sown in the month of April, and the stems of this crop are cut in August or September. At the time of harvest, this crop requires large number of laborers. Some of the countries where jute is produced are India, Bangladesh, Brazil, Taiwan, China, Thailand, and Malaysia. India and Bangladesh, they are the leading producers of jute in the world.